If you put dude and chillin' together, you end up coming to the next place in our 111 places in Vancouver that you do not want to miss. Ernest ice cream, seriously good. We're gonna come back and try. For now, if you call somebody a dude, D-U-D-E, dude, means they're cool. They're very masculine. They're a man. The dude. And if you use the word chillin', chillin' is where you're just kind of being. You're relaxing. You're in a comfortable chair. You don't have any pressure in the moment. You're just kind of letting it all be for a few moments, chilling. If you put dude and chillin' together, you end up coming to the next place in our 111 places in Vancouver that you do not want to miss. Right here, just off of Main Street, and it's called the Dude Chilling Park. Apparently, it used to be called Guelph Park. So, petition happened. 1,500 signatures, and this park was renamed from Guelph Park to Dude Chillin' Park, and it made the book. 111 places in Vancouver you do not want to miss. All right, let's move on to our next spot. We got to pick up the pace. We got just too many places yet to see. You ready? Let's go. Such a cool place here, and a nice lady to talk to. This isn't the place where they have got the Dude Chilling Pale Ale. She said that's in another place, maybe called R&B, over there on the other side, Main Street. Some interesting guys went ahead and took that park, Dude Chilling Park, and made a pale ale after it for those days when the dudes, or the dude in you, is relaxing and just chilling by the pool or by a tree or wherever, maybe even in a park. All right, enough of this silliness and frivolity. It's time to move on. We're causing a ruckus in the neighborhood. No problem. You're gonna be on my YouTube.
What's your channel called?
Advisor Danny.
Awesome.
Yo, subscribe.
Subscribe, like, share.
Woo! Yeah, subscribe, like, and share. Have a good night.
You too. There are lots of great ice cream places, probably in most cities around the world, but here in Vancouver, one for sure has made the 111 places in Vancouver you do not want to miss. I think there are 4 locations, and as I understand from Dave and Graham's book, they take great pride, the owners do, in customer feedback, making sure they understand what customers are looking for in ice cream. And it's also my understanding that they source local and as healthy as possible ingredients that go into their ice cream. Here on Francis Street, close to downtown Vancouver, which is just that way, is their production facility, the flagship. And unfortunately it looks like it's closed because their winter hours are 3 till 10 p.m. Monday to Friday. Today is a Monday. Ernest ice cream, seriously good. Nope. There you can see some of their flavors. Maybe we'll be able to tighten the shot and get the picture out of the book and visit it inside another time. Looks like a very cool place inside. Some artwork up on top here in this artsy district. So, Ernest ice cream, seriously good. We're going to come back and try. For now, we're just going to take your word for it. All right. We got another place we want to see. Lots of sunlight. Come on. Okay, let's move on.